In this session, I'm just going to show you how to put together an animation from photographs that you have taken. So here I am back in my project, and one of the things I want to show you is that these photographs, to create an animation you just need to take a load of still photographs. So for example, this photograph just has the eraser for the whiteboard just here, and the next photograph, it's just been moved up slightly and I've taken a photograph of that, and then it's been moved up slightly more and I've taken a photograph of that. But when we play this, I'll just turn the music down a bit. When we play this, when we play it, it doesn't appear as if it's working as an animation. So because the photographs stay on for too long. So as you can see, if that was going a bit faster, that would make it actually look like moving without anybody using any hand. So it would look like an animation. So what I'm going to do is at this point I need to collect together all the photographs that make up this animation. They're already in the right order because I took them in the right order. So this bit here is my film. I can see that because that's where it ends, and this is where my first photograph starts. I've looked through my photographs, so I'm happy with those. So I'm going to click on the first photograph, hold down Shift, and then click on the last photograph, and what that's done is it's selected all of the photographs. Now when you mouse over it, what you'll notice is that it gives you a pop-up box which tells you what the name of the photograph is, and importantly the duration. And the duration here is it's 7 seconds in total. So because I've selected all of them, one of the things I can do is I can drop this down and say, okay, well, only show it for, let's halve that roughly. Let's only show it for 3 seconds. I think that's not going to be fast enough, but anyway, we'll have a look. So let's just scroll back a little bit and then just play this, and when it gets to the photographs we can see what's going on. So I've also edited out quite a few bits out of the video to get rid of any unwanted footage. So we're coming up to the photographs now. And that you'll see that 3 seconds is slightly faster, but it's still not fast enough. So to get a good animation, let's just pause this and let's just do the same thing again. So I'm going to click on the very first photograph of the animation and then just hold down Shift and click on the last one, because these are all the ones that form this particular animation. And I'm going to change the duration to 0. In fact, I mean, you could even change the duration to 0.5 depending on how many photographs you took. So that will make it incredibly fast, because you're showing photographs for a split second only. So let's just go here, which is the start of the animation sequence, and there, yeah, that's much better actually. So that's working. And one of the other things which is great about this here's a common mistake that I've made, which is quite interesting, is I couldn't see all of my photographs and I just assumed that the one at the end was the last photograph. So if you zoom out a little bit, it shows you all of the things that you've got, and if I just mouse over these, then I notice that the duration of these is set to 7, and I haven't changed the duration of that. So this is the last one that I changed to 0.5. So from here to the end, these haven't been changed. But that's basically how you I'm going to do that now, but not on the video, because you know how to do that. I'm going to select this, hold down Shift, select the last one, and then just change the duration here. So and in the next video we'll look at how to move some of these clips, as it were, or bits of animation around the video. And the other thing that you'll notice is, even though we've speeded these up, that our music still carries on all the way to the end, and that's because the music I used, if you mouse over the music, that lasts for 5 minutes, and my whole video at the moment is only 2 minutes. So every time you add something or make it shorter, it just rearranges the music for you automatically, which is just a great thing and makes it easier to use.